Good afternoon, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do a video walkthrough on this Grady white 251 coastal. Year model's 2016. Hard top, fiberglass up here, powder coated T-top. Powder coating on the T-top and the leaning post are in good shape. Just showing you the bases. See, little to no pitting going on there. Rocket launchers. Boat has a cover. I'll try to include a photo of it in the listing. The covers from the cockpit, or excuse me, from the helm cover there up over back the leaning post and back around. 312.2 hours. Day of listing. New this year. Nice touchscreen Garmin display. Garmin VHF radio, fusion stereo. You can see the cord on this mic is a little frayed, but still functions. You could probably just order a new mic or send it down, get it redone. There's freshwater washdown and saltwater washdown on this boat. Rod holders, cup holders forward. Got the seat rest popped up. Got anchor storage underneath this cushion, and then all the way forward is a bow boarding ladder, so you can pull up to the sandbar, flip the ladder off, and go on and off the boat that way. Got storage underneath both the port and starboard bow seating areas. Got tackle storage in here. This cushion, got it set up in the lounge position now. This cushion will also slide in up here, set on this rail, lock in, and turn this area into a sun pad if you prefer to have it in that configuration. Got a bait well here and a live well back at the transom. Nice wide gunnels. Got a little bit of flaking here. Just want to show you on the base of it, but it's not even pitting. It's just the paint's missing. Console storage. Like at one point it had a portable potty. It's no longer in the boat. Bit easy to add one if you needed it. Windshield, no cracks. Coming back around to the transom. These cushions are newer and in great shape. Got 2 batteries with selector switch, power pole, shallow water anchor, as well as the tow arch. Powder coating on the tow arch is in good shape as well. 2016, for a 2016 boat, this is a very clean boat. There's your freshwater washdown back here. The tank is actually underneath this live well area. Battery selector switch is there. One battery in port side, another battery in the starboard side. Owner keeps the boat in the water for a week or 2 at a time. Also pulls out, has a trailer, sometimes has a diver clean the bottom. Currently does not have bottom paint on it. Try to get a picture of the whole sides here. I don't see any kind of nicks or scratches on either side. Little discoloration on the bottom that would come off with pressure wash and proper acid cleaning. The side of the hull up against the dock, but I don't see any major dings, nicks, scratches, that kind of stuff, at least from the dock view. Appreciate y'all taking the time to watch this video. It's a very nice, clean boat. Give us a call at 910-264-4818. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, 910-264-4818. Thanks.